Behind me, we have my new BMW M3 Competition X-Drive, and in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing it. I'm gonna start off with doing a little walk around and kind of pointing out all the cool options and features on this car, starting with these laser headlights. Look how cool they are. I heard if you buy an M3 or an M4 without the laser headlights, the entire BMW community makes fun of you for it. I don't know if that's true, but I didn't want to take a chance, so I went with the laser headlights. So when this car first came out, I was not a fan of the buck teeth looking front end on these Beamers, but over time, they definitely grew on me. This one has an aftermarket grille, which is pretty much all carbon fiber. Even right here, then you got the anniversary badges, which they started doing on the 23s and newer. I want to apologize in advance if I get any information wrong in this video. I am very new to the BMW world. I kind of am just slowly learning about them. Now let's talk about the wheels, which are very, very nice for stock wheels. Look how crazy they are. They're probably going to give me a hard time cleaning them, but besides that, they look so good. Then you got the 6-piston brakes, and then it says M3 Competition right here in carbon fiber. Just be prepared. There's going to be a lot of carbon fiber on this car. The wheels are smaller on the front than the rear. You got 19-inch wheels with 275 wide tires, and the rear you got 20-inch wheels with 285 wide tires. I don't see myself changing these wheels. They look just so good and fit this car perfectly. First thing you're gonna notice are these GTS style taillights. These are not the factory taillights. They are aftermarket, and they look a lot better than the factory ones. Then we got this really nice spoiler. It's carbon fiber, of course. Now we got the carbon fiber diffuser here. The tips look really nice. These are the stock tips. The mirror caps are all carbon fiber, and then the entire roof is carbon fiber. Look at that. That is baller. Who needs a sunroof when you got a fully exposed carbon fiber roof? So enough of the exterior. Now let's get to the best part of this car. This is the main reason I bought this car, and that's the interior. This is an interior I've never seen before. We got the blue right here. It says M3 right here, and then boom, here are the blue carbon bucket seats. You got carbon fiber right here, carbon fiber right here. You got the M3 logo that lights up, more of the blue right here, and then more carbon fiber. The paddle shifters on here I think are really nice. They're carbon fiber and they're a pretty good size. I don't think there's a need to upgrade them. Then you got M1 and M2, which are your custom modes. You could pretty much customize them however you want. One thing I must say about this car is that it has so much technology, more technology than I've ever been used to. I've had nothing but American cars, and well, you know, American cars are very simple, not too much technology, and this BMW has just so much technology that every day I'm finding a new feature. This car also has ambient lighting. You could kind of see it a little bit right there because, I mean, it is daylight right now, so you're not supposed to see them, but they are there. Here you can see it a little better. Now let me walk you guys through the infotainment system. We're gonna click this right here, and then you get all your apps. You have Amazon Alexa, that's cool. Spotify, telephone. I mean, literally you could control this entire car from this screen right here, which is super cool. You got the vehicle apps, vehicle status. I mean, it literally tells you everything about this car here. Whatever you need, it will tell you all from these apps. And then you got the driving settings, which basically are these two right here. So M1, and you could pretty much customize it to however way you want it, literally from engine to transmission to chassis to steering, brake, traction system, you know, exhaust. So if you want this to be like an aggressive mode, you could do an aggressive mode. If you want this to be like your daily mode, then you could just set it up on the screen to be your daily mode, and then you could just click this without having to go through every one of those options. And sometimes you don't know the hype about these cars until you own one, and I can definitely admit that I didn't know BMWs were so cool until I bought one. It doesn't make me like this car more than other cars, but I can appreciate it because, you know, I own one and I got to experience all the cool features and options that they come with. Now let's give her a start. So you got the speedometer right here, and then you got the RPMs right there. It tells you how much gas you have. It tells you the speed limit. It tells you how much miles you have until E. It tells you the time. It tells you you are in four-wheel drive. It tells you that no one has their seatbelt on. It pretty much tells you everything you want. Also the temperature right here. You could also customize this right here to be whatever you want. So you go right here, and then you could basically put this to be that, or You could put it to be, you know, your sport displays, your tires, your engine. You could do that. I mean, you could even put the maps up here. The exhaust sounds pretty fucking good. I'm actually very surprised. What do you guys think of that? Mind you, this exhaust is stock. There are no downpipes. Yeah, it sounds so good. I'm definitely planning to put downpipes and a full exhaust on this car, so it's gonna sound a lot better. Voila! So you have a V6 twin turbo producing 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. I do want to mention that BMW downplays their horsepower numbers all the times and say they make way less than they actually do. As far as performance mod, this thing is pretty much stock besides these two intakes right here from Hamburger Performance. Big shout out to them. If you guys have any more parts you want to send me, please hit my DM and send me some more car parts to make this thing fast. They are also paint match with the interior, so the blue kind of looks good under the hood. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will do a POV video of taking this around some crazy turns and some crazy roads and just beating the living heck out of it. Got a GT3 all white. Oh, and they got a, what is that, an M3 right there. We got some competition out here. What's up, my boy?
Congratulations.
My baby, finally part of the BMW team.
Yeah, I know.
Took me long enough. Let's check this M3 out. Look at the color. I love the green on here. Wow, this is sick. You got the white non-buckets, but these are supposed to be a lot more comfortable. This color is sick. So he has this spoiler. It's a little different than mine, but honestly, I do prefer my silver, believe it or not. In person, it looks crazy. And of course, it's only right for Gentian to baptize the car for me. This sounds so good, right?
Yeah, fuck yeah. It has intakes and shit?
Yeah, it has intakes only.
Yours sounds louder than that other G80, just like idling.
Yeah, well, it has...
in general, like the idle and everything.
Yeah, so basically it has mid pipes.
Oh, it has mid pipes and down pipes?
No, no down pipe, just mid pipes.
Yeah, we come in Beamer now, boy!
Yeah! Hey, are we like really good friends now because of this?
What do you mean? We weren't before?
Like, I think like this like is to the next level.
Like, yeah, once here, now we're like up here.
Only thing that is missing is the front lip, which is why we are here, right? The man, finally. He literally called me and he goes, yo, you want to stop by? I was like, man, I'm kind of busy. Then he goes, oh, no, you were so, yeah, he was busy, but when he called me, I was like, I'm out. Then he's like, I'll do your front lip. I was like, say no more, I'll be right.
Yeah, you ran, you're like,
I ran.
He said I'm busy right now. Oh,
hey, I was like, nope. Because this guy is busy 24/7. I knew I'm never going to get a hold of him ever again. The Beamer is literally doing a wheelie.
Bro, I feel like I'm on a roller coaster. I ain't gonna lie.
I know, you're in the air. Put your seatbelt
I
on.
put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, put it on, bro. Safety first. The lip is all done. It looks so much better. Look at that. Carbon looks so fire. So while we're at Motor City Whips, which you guys should all go and follow them right now, let me show you guys some of the cars they got here. Check this Corvette out. This color is so sick. It's like a minty green. The crazy thing is the C8 market dropped like crazy. I remember when the C8 Stingray used to sell for like 20 to 30 over sticker, and then the C8 Z06 used to sell for like 50 over sticker. Now they're offering them for sticker, and whoever bought one of those for over sticker kind of got fucked. Are you running it?
You want to?
You got smoke?
Come on, I'll blow you out. You want to?
What is this thing done to it?
Stop.
Stop. Turn it on. That is not stock.
Shouldn't have brought that we were racing.
Racing, bro. I gotta go home. I'm busy. The kids are asking, when is dad coming home?
Oh, yeah.
All right, launch it.
Launch it?
Yeah.
All right. Straight into Martin?
Yeah, straight into mine. That thing is a rocket ship. Next stop, we're at the gas. Oh my God. The cops are literally here. We can't go nowhere, bro. We got a, what is that, 570 right here. GTR. Oh, I think the GTR is getting pulled over. I think, I don't know what's happening here.
What up?
What up? Are you pulled over?
I don't know, just trying to get gas.
Damn, oh boy got pulled over.
Congrats on the car.
Thank you. Yeah, but he got pulled over literally. Oh man, there's a M right there. I think that's M. I don't know. The Beamer crew is here. Look, now I can hang out with the Beamer crew, okay? I fit in just perfectly. They used to hate me before because I had Mopar. Now they like me. Hey, whatever you did, you didn't do it.
I didn't do it.
He didn't do it. Someone else did it. Hey, someone else did it. He didn't do it. Yeah, I'm about to get in there and get something. Well, at least we'll get him a thumbnail. This is good. All right, let me get away from him before the cop pulls me over because I almost forgot. I don't have plates on the car right now, so he technically has a reason to pull me over. So what did he pull you over for?
Because I guess I kept stopping at every gas station.
Oh, so that's illegal?
Yeah, I guess so.
You can't stop at a gas station anymore.
Supercar lifestyle. They hate supercars.
Man, hold up. So you get a ticket for that?
No, he said I'm good.
Oh. All right, guys, make sure you fill your car up all at once.
Yeah,
okay,
you can't stop.
Hold up, you were going from pump to pump, putting $10, weren't
Bro,
you?
I swear to God, I'm too broke. You see the car payment
Come
I
on,
got?
bro.
I
Yeah, I
can't
get-
afford one full fill
Hey,
up.
at least you got the car though.
Exactly, that's right. Dad helped me out. He got me the car, but he couldn't afford gas.
Yeah, but you gotta. Hey, now you gotta get a job. This thing sounds so good, bro. This video is just like. Do that one more time so you get pulled over again. All right, stop. He's right there. All right, I don't want to get him in trouble. I'm not gonna lie, I am having so much fun with this car. So I took my ass home because there was just way too many cops out there, but can we appreciate these two right now? Can we just get like a moment of silence? They just look so good together. I definitely gotta wrap it because it just doesn't fit in the garage. Like this thing is purple and then this thing is silver, although this silver looks really, really good in person. But we have made it to the end of today's video. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you get this video to 1,000 likes and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.